नमस्कार किसान साथियों, आज हम लोग आए हुए हैं IICC जो कि आपका यशोभूमि में है और यहाँ पे हॉर्टी एक्सपो लगा हुआ है और यहाँ पे हम कवर अप कर रहे थे। तो मुझे एक यहाँ पे सेगमेंट मिला आपका जो हस्क और कोकोपीट के सेगमेंट में है। तो यहाँ पे हमारे जो कंपनी के इन CEO हैं वो भी हैं यहाँ पे। तो हेलो सर।
Hello sir, how are you?
नाइस। व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम सर?
I am Praveen from Shanthi Coir Substrate.
ओके सर, so I just want to know कि शांति कोरी सबस्ट्रेट all about, मतलब basically ये करती क्या है?
Actually, it's all about the coir
Okay,
and the cocopeat related. Or we are doing all cocopeat related products.
okay,
We are the manufacturer and we are the exporter to the few countries we are exporting,
okay.
and we have a all India delivery. We are
Delivery
doing
also.
pan India delivery of coir
So
products.
what is the minimum order quantity you deliver, or like what do you deal with? Like suppose I want to purchase this single block.
Actually,
Do
we basically focus
Okay,
on the customers who uses bulk.
okay, bulk
Okay,
bulk
yeah,
quantity
bulk.
dealing.
We prefer the customers who is end using.
Okay,
We are not here like to go with the traders wise.
okay. So basically इनके पास ये बड़े bulk customers को deal करते हैं. So I just want to know कि what is the minimum order quantity अगर कोई एक someone watching from a horticulture background who has opened a nursery or who is working this segment and want to procure from you. So
No, basically the quantity we can deliver at least from 1 ton
okay,
to
1 ton.
30 tons we can deliver.
Okay,
But actually the transport cost for the each shipment is differs to differ.
correct.
If the customer agrees to buy 20 tons now, they
Okay.
can able to save transport costs in a bigger way.
Correct.
For 1
That's
ton, they have to bring the goods from the logistics service.
same logistics.
So they have to pay the double the amount of the logistics.
So we do also have like delivery services also.
Yeah, we are delivering
Like
all
online.
India.
Okay. Okay, so what are the product ranges? यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट हैं, आप मुझे दिखाइए. Like,
So we have a cocopeat, low EC cocopeat here.
okay,
We can
what's the weight of this one?
per piece will weight from 4 to 5 kgs.
Okay,
It will entirely depends on customer's requirement.
okay.
If customer wants 4 kg, if customer wants 4.5 kg,
बेसिकली हम मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं तो वी कैन गो फॉर एनी साइजेस.
Yeah.
और हमारे पास ये आई हैव सीन दिस समथिंग न्यू. व्हाट दिस इज?
this is a grow plugs. This you
plugs.
can use it directly in the seedling trays.
ओके,
You can put it in the seedling trays and put
Directly.
it in the directly.
ओके.
You can add a water and you can put a seeds over this.
So okay, basically I have seen one problem that cocopeat are meant to be saltier. So is it like completely इसके
Yeah,
अंदर से salt निकाला हुआ है? Yeah.
there are some particular things has to be watching the cocopeats while you're buying.
Yeah.
Few farmers and few end users doesn't aware of like
Yeah.
they are buying the bad product.
Yeah.
Example, they need a low EC product only,
Okay.
but they don't have the knowledge of what is low EC, what is the high EC.
Correct.
So instead of buying low EC, they buying high EC
Okay.
and they use it for the plants. Then the plants get corrupt ho gaya.
Yeah.
So
Plant get destroyed. Even the medium is saltier, so the plant seed, the expensive things that we purchase to get this germinated get destroyed due to high EC.
yeah,
Okay.
we suggest all the customers to grasp the knowledge over the cocopeat.
Correct.
What is high EC? What is low EC?
Okay.
Start learn over that.
Yeah.
Then buy the cocopeat correctly.
What requirement you want, you purchase that only.
That one.
So these are some product ranges. And what is this? I have seen this cliff size
This is the cocoa chips.
chips. Okay.
This is a chunks of cocoa husk.
Okay.
We cut it into the cocoa husk into the multiple pieces.
Okay.
This will help the root of plants to get a good aeration,
Okay. Nice.
good porosity.
So we can use it on the basis of any like grow bag or an.
Yeah, you can use this cocoa chips in the combination of cocopeat.
Yeah.
So the roots of the plant will
Get
get
more
more
aeration as
oxygen
well.
and aeration.
True.
So the roots will grow and perform at max.
Okay. So suppose Praveen sir, we want to purchase. What are the like distribution ship? What's your contact detail? You can share it. आप बता सकते हो?
We are doing all India delivery from our own farm, own
Where it's
manufacturing.
completely based. ये कहाँ की कंपनी है?
Our company basically from Pollachi, Tamil Nadu. It is a hub for the coir.
Okay.
Most of the farmers and most of the buyers who is using in the bulk knows about the Pollachi.
Okay.
So we are supplying from Pollachi our company to the end users.
Okay.
We have our own logistics services. We
Okay.
can deliver good from our own product to the end users
Okay.
very firmly.
So someone from my YouTube channel watching your video comes to you, is there any chance that they can get any discount or anything?
100% we will able to give the better price.
Yeah, because I think my motive is also to support the farmers who are coming from a low background and want to start their business from a low. So it will be very helpful that we can build a system, sustainable system, where we can help to each other in a maybe not a big one, but a small. But
we'll try to give the best least price.
Definitely.
Because actually we are the manufacturer, so we can give the best least possible prices from us.
Okay, so what's your website where
we have a website of
please mention your website.
cocopeatindia.com.
Okay.
And we have a mail ID shanthikoirs@gmail.com, and our contact number is 8667775253.
Okay, is there anything that you want to specially mention before we end this video?
Specially mention, if anyone wants particular quantity of cocopeat, just reach us. We'll help out to give the maximum extent of our support to give you.
Okay. For more such content and videos, make sure to like, share and subscribe the video. And अगर आपको कभी भी इस तरह की कोई भी और क्वांटिटी या कोई ऐसी चीज के बारे में जानकारी चाहिए तो चैनल को जरूर से जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. और अगर आपको और कोई इनकी डिटेल्स चाहिए तो आई विल गेट द लिंक्स एंड एवरीथिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, जहां पे आप इसको देख सकते हैं. धन्यवाद. ओके, थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू.